What is cybertech? Presented by Nagaraju Tadakaluri. Welcome to this video on cybertech. In today's digital age, cybersecurity has become more important than ever. Cyber attacks can have serious consequences, ranging from the theft of sensitive information to financial loss and even harm to individuals. In this video, we will explore what cybertech is, why it's important, and the various technologies and techniques used in cybertech. Cybertech refers to the field of technology that is concerned with the protection and security of digital systems and networks. As we become more reliant on digital technology for everything from communication to financial transactions, the need for cybertech has become increasingly important. In this video, we will explore what cybertech is, its importance in today's world, and the various technologies and techniques used in cybertech. What is cybertech? Cybertech, also known as cybersecurity or information security, is the practice of protecting digital systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, use, or destruction. Cybertech is essential for ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of digital systems and data. The goal of cybertech is to prevent cyber attacks, which are unauthorized attempts to access or damage digital systems and data. Cyber attacks can come in many forms, including viruses, malware, phishing attacks, denial of service attacks, and more. Why is cybertech important? Cybertech is essential in today's world because we are increasingly reliant on digital technology for everything from communication to financial transactions. Cyber attacks can have serious consequences, including theft of sensitive information, financial loss, damage to digital systems, and even harm to individuals. In addition, cybertech is also important for ensuring the trust and confidence of consumers and businesses in digital technology. Without adequate cybertech measures in place, users may be hesitant to use digital systems and services, which can have significant economic and social consequences. Technologies and techniques used in cybertech. Cybertech encompasses a wide range of technologies and techniques for protecting digital systems and data. Some of the key technologies and techniques used in cybertech include encryption. Encryption is the process of encoding data so that it can only be accessed by authorized users. Encryption is used to protect sensitive data such as passwords, credit card numbers, and personal information. Firewalls. Firewalls are software or hardware systems that monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. Firewalls are used to prevent unauthorized access to digital systems and data. Intrusion detection and prevention systems. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDPS, are software or hardware systems that monitor digital systems and networks for suspicious activity. IDPS are used to detect and prevent cyber attacks. Penetration testing. Penetration testing, also known as pen testing, is the process of testing digital systems and networks for vulnerabilities that could be exploited by cyber attackers. Pen testing is used to identify and fix weaknesses in cybertech defenses. Security information and event management. Security information and event management, SIEM, is a system that collects and analyzes data from digital systems and networks to identify and respond to security threats. Cybertech is essential in today's digital world for protecting digital systems, networks, and data from cyber attacks. Cybertech encompasses a wide range of technologies and techniques, including encryption, firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, penetration testing, and security information and event management. As our reliance on digital technology continues to grow, cybertech will become increasingly important for ensuring the security and trust of digital systems and services. By implementing effective cybertech measures, we can protect sensitive information, prevent financial loss, and safeguard digital systems and networks from cyber attacks. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of what cybertech is and why it's important in today's world. Thank you for watching.